If you think 10 minutes is too short to change your body, think again. 10 minutes of plank every day can silently transform your strength, your fat level, and your mindset. This is one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises ever created. The plank looks simple, but it activates almost every major muscle in your body at the same time. Your core, shoulders, chest, back, glutes, and legs all work together without any equipment. Holding a plank for 10 minutes a day trains deep core muscles that normal workouts often miss. Doing plank daily helps burn stubborn belly fat by increasing muscle activation and metabolic demand. The more muscles you engage, the more calories your body burns, even after the workout ends. Over time, this leads to visible fat loss and a tighter, stronger midsection. Plank also improves posture and reduces lower back pain. By strengthening the core, your spine becomes more stable and supported. This makes daily movements easier and reduces the risk of injury. 10 minutes of plank every day builds mental toughness. It teaches discipline, focus, and the ability to stay calm under pressure. Each second you hold is training your mind as much as your body. You do not need to do 10 minutes at once. You can break it into short sets and still get powerful results. Consistency matters more than intensity. If you want a stronger core, better fat loss, improved posture, and mental strength, 10 minutes of plank every day is a simple habit that delivers real results. Start today and let your body prove how powerful this exercise truly is.